Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good day. Me and my group members are going to present about palm oil manufacturing processing in the production of food and non-food application. Our group chose to be present about ice cream and printing in palm oil manufacturing process. So, me, Siti Nur Azira binti Ami Hamzah from group 12 and my group members are Mahirah binti Muhammad Rosli, Muhammad Hazif Fitri bin Muhammad Rosli, and Nur Ayub Saifuddin bin Johari. So this is our table of content. So we include the introduction, the manufacturing process of the production of both for ice cream and then printing ink. And lastly, we include the credit. So let's get right into the introduction. The acceptance of palm oil worldwide is due to its unique properties that encourage its use in a wide range of end products. These properties are made more versatile by the various fractions and refined forms that are available in the world market. At present, refined palm oil is also available and are suitable for various food uses. And palm oil products also find wide application in the non-food sector, such as in the production of soap and the production of detergents, pharmaceutical products, oleochemical products, and cosmetic. And last but not least, for the ice cream and printing ink. Next, let's get right into the manufacturing process of the production of ice cream. So, the basic ingredient in ice cream are fats, milk solid non-fat, sugar, emulsifier, stabilizer, and water. Each ingredient plays a major role in imparting texture, flavor, and stability. In making ice cream, it is very important to choose the right fats and oil. The right fats or oils should have a bland flavor and good flavor stability in the finished product. So like the ice cream should have a warm eating effects and melt without a greasiness and gumminess.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Mahirah binti Muhammad Rosli and I'm going to continue for our presentation. This is the PNID diagram for the production of ice cream. So for the process is, first stage is blending. So the way ingredients are blended together to produce the ice cream mix. So this is where the red palm oil is used as fats in the production of ice cream. So the high-speed blenders in the mixing tank are desirable to ensure a homogeneous mix. And then the ice cream mix is then pasteurized. So pasteurization is the biological control in the system where it is designed to destroy any pathogenic bacteria that may be inherent in the mix. It is also reduces the spoilage organism and hydrates protein and stabilizer in the mix. Either a batch or continuous pasteurization method may be used. So during pasteurization, the mix is heated in a vat to about 72 degrees Celsius and held for about 30 minutes. And then for the next one is homogenization. So the mix is rapidly homogenized under high pressure at the pasteurization temperature 72 degrees Celsius and pass through the plate of heat exchanger to cool down the mix rapidly to 4 degrees Celsius. So this process reduces the size of the fat globules and increases the surface area of the fat globules. So next is the homogenized mix is aged for minimum of 4 hours or preferably overnight. A refrigerated tank maintained at or below 5 degrees Celsius is used for aging. At this stage, it is important to ensure the mix is not frozen. So this allows time for fat to cool down and crystallize and for the proteins and polysaccharide to fully hydrated. And then each mix is then will add any liquid flavor and colors through the mixing tank, and then the mix were drawn into the barrel freezer. So the barrel freezer is a scrap surface tubular heat exchanger which jacket with a boiling refrigerant. So the end result of the mixture will be about 50% of its water frozen. This mixture has a consistency similar to a soft serve ice cream. So next, after that is packaging. The ice cream is then filled into containers and placed in a blast freezer in about -30 degrees Celsius to -40 degrees Celsius, where the remainder of the water is frozen. And after that, it is ready to market. And that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Haziq Fitri bin Muhammad Rosli. I will present about manufacturing process of the production of printing ink. Printing inks, refer to a liquid or paste, are widely used to color surfaces such as newspaper, books, and magazine, cardboard, and ceramic tiles to produce an image, text, or design. Printing inks contain pigment or dyes that are mixed with oil, solvents, or water that form liquid or paste. Global printing inks market growth is attributable to increasing adoption of printing inks made of vegetable oil-based solvent, as this oil eliminates the use of mineral oils in inks. The raw materials to produce is pigments, resin, solvent, and additives. Process instrumentation diagram. First, resin, oil, and additives are added to the reactor with some heat and stirred together to produce a varnish. The varnish nets are flowed to the mixing tank. Fillers and pigment are added to the mixing tank from the feed hopper. In the premix stage, pre-dispersion of the pigment involved in a mixture of varnish. Next, the mixture are flowed to the 3-bits mill. At the 3-bits mill, the mixture are At the 3-bits mill, the mixture flows through the 3-roll with some pressure to refine the dispersion of the pigment. Next, it's flowed to the bits mill to cool down to remove a bubble from the mixture. After that, the mixture flows to the mixing tank and added some thinner to show the true color of ink. Lastly, it ready to be used in production.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for Mr. Muhammad Haziq Fitri for the great introduction and the presentation of the NID for the manufacturing process of the production of printing ink. Now, my name is Nurayub Sufuddin Jari, will proceed to the manufacturing process of the production of printing ink. First and foremost is the varnish manufacture. Manufacturing of the varnish consists in dissolving then cooking one or several hard resins petroleum diluents with or without vegetable oils. Next process is the pre-mix process, where the pre-dispersion of the pigment involved in a mixture of varnishes. This stage aims to divide these aggregates as finely as possible by coating the fine particles with the varnish. Next process is the grinding process. Grinding is the step that makes it possible to refine the dispersion of pigment initiated at the premix stage when the size of the aggregates is reduced. Fourth process is dilution. The structural and colorimetric properties of the ink are obtained after milling. Dilution enables different additives indispensable to obtain a high-quality finished product to be incorporated. Last but not least is the packaging process. Packaging of the printer inks products is different for each type of ink. For example, there is offset inks that need to be packaged by canister for it to be sold. That's all from me and my group members. Thank you for lending us your ears. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and have a good day.